Hindi ko nga kayang alagaan yung sarili ko. What else, mag-aalaga ka pa ng bagong buhay, di ba? So at that point, I knew na hindi ko kaya.
If they want to keep their pregnancy or not, I think.
Tapos sobrang sakit talaga. Kung masakit na yung nung kinakramps ako bago nun, mas masakit pa lalo, as in pilipit sa sakit talaga siya. Walang anesthesia, walang pain medication, walang kahit ano. Illegal nga siya sa Pilipinas yung abortion. Ang hirap din pumunta sa hospital kasi hindi mo alam kung paano ka tatanggapin. Tapos may nakarinig na rin ako ng mga kwento na parang pinapablotter daw pagdating sa hospital or hindi ka papansinin, hayaan ka lang magdugo, hayaan ka lang mamatay.
Yung insertion, implant po.
Ito yung ating mga instruments, no? Ito yung
The bill that we're pushing for is decriminalizing abortion, which means it can allow abortion not just on certain grounds. And the reason is because we have seen in experiences here in the Philippines and in other countries that the exceptions would simply not be enough.
The Catholic Church would always have this opposition, to abortion and its applications, I would say. Why? Because from the very start, the Catholic Church, ang simbahang Katoliko, would have a very strong adherence to the preservation of life and the dignity of human life.